Okay, hello everyone. Once a week, talk about the crypto markets in English. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is Bitcoin. Bitcoin did a nice breakout of the entire structure, the sideways movement. It's a nice breakup, throw back to support. It's going higher. So right now, I guess the bulls have won for the time being. And if you look at the daily time frame, I think it's likely to head to 56 in the near future. All right. So bullish momentum. Momentum is super bullish. So I will suggest that we don't think about doing short, but every time it comes back to a nice support, it could be a turning point for it to hit higher. So Bitcoin, first level of support you should consider is 49.4. This is a nice support right here. Okay, if 49.4 fails, it's also not a big deal. It just goes down to 48, another nice support, and it should bounce off from here. So this is what I think about Bitcoin. Still bullish in general, and shorting is, to me, is quite high risk because the momentum is quite strong. So look for good levels to go along with the trend. All right, this is Bitcoin. Okay, talk about Ethereum. Ethereum, super strong. Is it hit 4,000 like yesterday. If you look at the 4 hour chart, okay, the level that we should be looking at is 4080. This is where the bearish sharp pattern will conclude. This is not the nicest bearish sharp because the AC extension didn't hit 113, but I guess we should still see a reaction around 4080. So my strategy is still the same. I will not short Ethereum, but if it comes to the 4080 level, it does a nice correction back to a support trend line, preferably with some patterns like a shock or something. I don't know whether anything will form in the next few days. But if it comes back to support, I'm going along with the bigger trend. I still think this year the bullish trend will continue for at least a while more, few months, I guess. So my momentum is, like my idea is buy low and sell high instead of trying to short at every high. Else I will be dying many many times because this is a very nice C to D move, and when it breaks the all-time high, is gonna fly even faster. Yeah, that's what I think about the markets. All right, a few other coins are worth watching. Alice have completed a nice on hourly chart. He has completed the Gartley. All right, and he has been going sideways for like 2 days, so it should likely turn from here. Now is still a good price to consider. But if you buy the Gartley, I guess your stop loss has to go below the X. So it could go maybe about 1650. That should be a level that you can consider. That's a stop loss level. All right. And this Alice is a bullish coin. When it listed, it went all the way to 60 bucks, I guess, around there. So from here, if it hits higher, it goes to break the previous high at 1970 yesterday. No, I don't know which day. 2nd September. Yeah, 2 days ago, it hit 1970. If it breaks this level, it's gonna fly. Yeah. So put in your stop loss, profits. I'll leave it open first, and I will see from there. Okay, ICP. I think Scott loves this coin also. Bullish coin. He says that I think last month he talked about this coin hitting 120. It has done some consolidation. I think it's ready to set off. I bought it at about 66 yesterday, so now it's about in a profit, a small amount of profit. So I think it should go higher. If you haven't gotten into ICP, maybe wait for some correction before it could get higher. Yeah, bullish momentum. Any patterns to short, I think the risk is quite high. Maybe you should just aim for target one and not aim for like a home run. Yeah, that's what I think. Trade instead of holding long term. Okay, another coin that I have right now is also Doggy. I didn't get at a very nice level, but I think this looks good. Doggy did a ABCD back into support level here. Is it here? Double test of the support, double test of the ABCD PRZ. So it should likely rebound from here. So if you haven't gotten into it, pray that it will come down to 2850. This is a good level that you can consider. Then it should maybe go higher from here. Doggy, if you look at the 4 hourly chart, it could go to 886. This is where the sharp pattern will terminate. So at least 100% potential profit. Yeah, but whether you can hold it's this long, it's about, your own risk preference and your own risk tolerance and your ability to hold winning positions. All right. Last one I want to talk about. Did I talk about ADA? ADA, I want to go long. This is something Scott also love. All-time high coins. So when it comes back down to this trend line support here, I'll be interested to go long around 2.9 here. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for ADA. Okay, last but not least, a lot of people has been talking about SOL, super crazy bullish coin. I think the technology is pretty good. So it has been breaking all-time highs for the last 2 months. So shorting this coin is very, very dangerous. What you can consider is if it throws back to support, preferably with some patterns like ABCD or Gartley or Shark or whatever, then you can consider going long at support, right? This as well. Okay, last one I want to talk about. Let me think. Okay, today Filecoin, okay, XRP, worth looking at also. XRP, yesterday it completed a pattern. This is a bearish bet. Then it did a small little ABCD retracement. Didn't even hit TP1. So this is what I say, like bull market, sometimes even your target ones will not be hit. And it just go higher from here. So XRP, if the bet or the dip gully fails, I think the next level we should be looking at is the 1618 extension, which is the termination of the bearish crab pattern. So I'll be looking at around here 1.46. Go long at support. That's what my strategy is. So later on, the next few hours, if it comes down to support and it fails to break, or it does a fake breakdown and a return, maybe I will just do a long from here to capture this leg of the profit from 1.3 maybe all the way to 1.5. Okay, if you go long, stop loss should go below yesterday's low at 1.2. Consider this, right? So you'll be using this little uh, potential loss, no, to aim for this profit target. Okay, maybe I'll do this nicer. Okay, this is your stop loss and this is your potential profits. Potentially, we are looking at a 5-to-1 risk to reward. That is potentially only. Okay, that's what I have for you today for today's video. Please support my YouTube channel. No, sorry. Please support my TradingView channels. Follow me, comment, and like it if you think that it's useful. Then I will maybe try to do like once or twice a week for all these English followers. Okay, good luck and good trading. I will talk to you all again soon. Peace.